This is why you need a pressure cooker in your kitchen. If you're looking to make your cooking healthier, faster, and more efficient, then a pressure cooker is an essential tool you should consider. Spoiler: it's super healthy. But what makes it so beneficial? Let's dive into the details. Pressure cooking is not bad for your health. Contrary to some myths, it actually offers numerous health benefits. In fact, it's packed with benefits. From preserving nutrients to reducing cooking time, the advantages are numerous. Here's the scoop. Pressure cooking is a method that uses steam and high pressure to cook food quickly. First off, pressure cooking uses steam and high pressure to cook food fast, around 120 degrees Celsius. This high temperature is achieved by trapping steam inside the cooker, which raises the boiling point of water, instead of the usual boiling point of 100 degrees Celsius. This means your food cooks much faster than it would using conventional methods. This quick cooking preserves heat-sensitive nutrients. Vitamins and minerals that are often lost during prolonged cooking methods are better retained, better than boiling or frying. When you boil or fry food, you expose it to high temperatures for longer periods, which can degrade essential nutrients. Studies show pressure cooking retains more vitamins and minerals. This is particularly important for vegetables, which can lose a significant amount of their nutritional value when cooked using other methods. For example, spinach loses 77% of its vitamin C. This is a substantial loss considering how important vitamin C is for our immune system and overall health. When boiled, but only 30% when pressure cooked. This means you get more of the essential nutrients your body needs. Broccoli? It keeps more antioxidants compared to steaming. Antioxidants are crucial for fighting off free radicals and maintaining good health. And that's not all. Pressure cooking also helps in reducing anti-nutrients. Pressure cooking reduces anti-nutrients. Anti-nutrients are compounds that can interfere with the absorption of essential nutrients, like phytic acid and lectins, which are found in many plant-based foods. These compounds can block mineral absorption and cause gut issues, By reducing these anti-nutrients, pressure cooking makes your food easier to digest and more nutritious. It even destroys harmful bacteria, making your food safer to eat. The high pressure and temperature effectively kill bacteria and other pathogens, making your food safer to eat. This is particularly important for foods that are prone to contamination, such as meats and legumes. Plus, pressure cooking is energy efficient. It uses less energy compared to other cooking methods because it cooks food faster, and uses less oil, so your meals are healthier and eco-friendly. Less oil means fewer calories and less fat, making your meals healthier. Cooking beans or lentils? It takes just 15-20 minutes. This is a significant time saver, especially for busy individuals. In a pressure cooker versus an hour in an open pot. This means you can enjoy nutritious meals without spending hours in the kitchen. Worried about nutrient loss or harmful compounds? Don't be. Pressure cooking retains more nutrients overall. It's a method that maximizes the nutritional value of your food and doesn't produce harmful compounds. Unlike frying or grilling, pressure cooking doesn't produce acrylamide, a harmful compound found in burnt foods. This makes it a safer cooking method for your health. Final verdict. Pressure cooking is one of the healthiest, fastest, and most nutrient-preserving cooking methods out there. It's a versatile tool that can be used to prepare a wide variety of dishes. Fastest and most nutrient-preserving cooking methods out there. Whether you're cooking vegetables, meats, or grains, a pressure cooker can handle it all. So go ahead, use it wisely. Experiment with different recipes and enjoy the benefits of healthier, faster, and more efficient cooking. And enjoy all its benefits. Your body and your taste buds will thank you.